This question is from Mirza Kalashi, I think, who is an Ahmadi from Kosovo.
Kosovo, yes, I know, yes. Please.
Why do non-Ahmadi Muslims not accept Ahmadis as Muslim?
We never say that non-Ahmadi Muslims are non-Muslims. We never say that.
Sorry, what you meant? Why do non-Ahmadis call us non-Muslim?
The opposite.
Yes.
We should ask them. As far as I am concerned, I have made it very clear that we never refer to the non-Ahmadi Muslims as non-Muslims. Our terminology is very clear. We always say they are non-Ahmadi Muslims, and also they are non-Muslims. So we do not attribute to them any claim which they do not possess. We are absolutely right and rational in our attitude. But at the same time we believe that the concept of Islam, which guides their path here in this world, is erroneous. So they cannot be genuinely be referred to be Muslims in the sight of God. Because if you are a genuine Muslim, then we should not differ from each other, and we should remain united. This is in a nutshell my answer to this question, if it were addressed to me. But you should address this question to non-Muslims. Why do they refer to us as non-Muslims? We profess to be Muslims. We claim to be Muslims. And this fundamental human right must be permitted to be shared by Ahmadis. It's fundamental human right, particularly in the light of the conduct of the Holy Prophet of Islam, which is also mentioned in the Holy Quran. It never happened in the lifetime of the Holy Prophet that he addressed someone who claimed to be Muslim as non-Muslim. Never once. Despite the fact that Allah had told him that these so-called Muslims are not Muslims in reality. They have no faith. Despite this knowledge bestowed upon him by God himself, he was not authorized by God to address them as non-Muslims as long as they address themselves to Muslims. So the profession of a faith is the fundamental human right, which must not be violated. It was not violated by the Holy Prophet ﷺ even once during his lifetime. How could the mullahs of today have access to this right which was not granted to the Holy Prophet himself? You understand? So I have answered the second part of your question as well, that they have no right to do so. Now you can ask them why, despite having no right, they should continue to refer to us as non-Muslims. Thank you.